Okay, I'm filming this intro, of course, after I fixed it, as you see there. But, yeah, so my wife found this Fisher-Price microscope at a Goodwill, and she bought it, and it didn't work, as you see in the video I'll show you. But the light wouldn't turn on, and of course, you could put, this in the little holder and run the whatever you call them, the plates or whatever underneath it. Can't remember at the moment. But anyways, you could use those underneath it, of course, and then just use an external flashlight on it. But this will be way nicer for the kids. So, yeah, enjoy the video. And okay, so as you see right here, this is just me setting up my multimeter. I'm gonna test where that bulb was to see what the power is, and as you see, it's 1.5 and it's dropping. And that isn't exactly what batteries in series should be. If you have two AA's, it should be 3 volts, as you see in this video here. You stack it in a series, it doubles the voltage. So it needs to be 3 volts. So I took it apart, as I'm going to show you here. And it was either glued together or melted together, but I just worked around with that little pry tool and my fingers, and was very gentle and got it apart. When I put it back together, I super glued it back together. So if you guys do this, you're going to need to glue it back together. As you see here, you can just see the internals. I'm just showing them to you. So looking around the inside of this, it looks pretty dirty. So I think that the issue is contact issue and corrosion. This toy is, I don't know how many years old, but it is quite old. I'd say it's at least 20 years old, so, which some of you are gonna feel called out on. I do. Anyways, so we're gonna go on ahead and clean it up. So I'm just gonna speed this part up. So go on ahead and enjoy a little bit of a time lapse. Alright, and for the moment of truth, I put the batteries in. I'm going to test it out, and we're going to see if this thing turns on or not. In just a couple seconds here, we'll find out. I'm just taking that lens out of the way. Oh, and that gave it away. Yep. It was just a contact issue with corrosion. The bulb had corrosion, and all the contact points had corrosion, so I just went on ahead and cleaned it up. You could have tried to do this without taking it apart, but I really wish you luck. It's just a lot easier to take it apart. So anyways, I'm going to show you how I put it back together here. I don't show me gluing it together, but this is just me showing you that it just clips back together. Don't forget your lens, and yeah, and then when you do go to put it back together, run some super glue along the edges, and yeah, anyways. I really do want to test this thing out though, now that I got it fixed. So here, after I get this glued together, I'm going to leave it overnight, and we're going to go on ahead and test it out. Here I am setting it up, and yeah, enjoy the video.